Hello there everybody, it's me Alexander and I'm here to talk to you about the colour of the month. Well, first off, this is on a style from Amore. This is Terra. Beautiful, beautiful hairstyle, absolutely love it. And the colour is mushroom grey R. So if I turn the mannequin around, you can see you've got all of these really nice kind of grey, mushroomy kind of tones running through. She's off like, I would say like, not quite an espresso, but like a kind of deep brown, like a cool brown base with all of these different greys in there. Really nice. It's like a transitional grey for somebody that would have dark hair, that would necessarily start greying a little bit. Very, very natural, looks really cool, but also with the texture on these curly wigs, it really helps to accentuate that. So this one is my colour of the month and it's mushroom grey R.